Hello, my beautiful Capricorns. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. How are you all doing? These are general love readings for the month of December, third week. We will be looking into your love life, your person's feelings for you, the connection, where is it heading. Okay, keep in mind roles can be reversed, cross watchers are welcome, and we got a card here. It is the Eight of Swords. Let's see how it comes up in the reading. And these are general love readings, so please keep in mind that these may not resonate with each one of you watching. So please watch for your sun, moon and rising videos. Okay, let's start with the reading. What are your feelings right now? Your feelings: Ace of Wands, lot of passion. You want to start off new. You think it as really a very uh, maybe a very, this is very sexual energy also coming towards you, or you want to offer that. Okay, Ace of Wands is like a lot of passion, like heat, and how do I say, okay, let's see. How do you view your person as Capricorn? How does my Capricorn views their person as spirits and guides? Please tell me. You view them as the Four of Wands. You feel that they are very stable. You need to be with them. They make you feel very good. You people have fun with each other. This is like celebration energy, where you find stability. Like you think that this connection is a very stable connection and a very passionate one. You have hopes in this connection. What are your person's feelings for you, Capricorn? Let's see what are your person's feelings for you. We have the Ten of Wands. Very burdening energy, end of a burdening cycle also. They are feeling like this, like totally worn out, worked up. Okay. How your person views you, how my Capricorn's person views them as. They view you as their Ten of Cups and the Knight of Cups. Okay, we have two cards for how they view you as. They feel very happy with you. They want to offer their love towards you, but maybe they think like a Knight of Cups is like you're not very serious towards them kind of energy, but they definitely feel that Ten of Cups. These roles can be reversed, guys. So this is like uh, Ten of Cups, like it is your feelings that you want a stable connection with them, and but their energy is like Knight of Cups. So that's like they have a strong feelings for you. They want to offer their love, but as I can see, Ace of Wands and Four of Wands, like lot of fire energy here. um, Aries, Leo, Sag, you may be connecting to, and water as well. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Let's see. What are you hoping for in this connection? What my Capricorns are hoping for this connection with their person? Their hopes at the center of the energy. They are hoping for Seven of Wands. Why are you want to protect this? Definitely. You are in this kind of perseverance, like you're defending yourself against everyone. Like, then we have, what is your person hoping for? We have the Three of Pentacles. They want to collaborate, they want to build this relationship with you, Capricorns, but what is what is the action you plan on taking with this person? What action you plan on taking with your person, Capricorn? Let's see. Too many. Let's see. Spirits, guides, please tell me what action Capricorns want to take with their person. we have 10 of swords. Okay, we'll clarify this. Why 10 of swords? Lot of mental energy, like thinking and feeling depressed because there's no communication right now between you guys. 10 of wands is the both 10 of wands and 10 of swords is the end of a cycle, which is very burdening and cruel kind of energy. Okay, now we have what action your person plans on taking is Three of Swords. Very heartbroken. We'll clarify this also. They don't feel like taking any action right now because of what? Let's see. We'll clarify. One more card. We have two cards clarifying the Three of Swords, the Tower and Three of Cups. Okay, okay. They are very heartbroken over you, definitely, and they may be in a third party situation, because we have Three of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and Three of Cups here with a Tower card. So definitely this is a third party situation over here. They are involved with someone, or you are involved with someone, and that is the reason they have 10 of Swords and Three of Swords energy, which is like very heartbreaking. And let's see what is the outcome of the situation with Capricorns. Spirits and guides, please tell me what is the outcome for my Capricorns. The Fool. The outcome is you both want to take a leap of faith, and but right now you are in the Seven of Wands energy. So one of you is in the Seven of Wands energy, trying to protect themselves, trying to protect themselves from this third party situation they are stuck in. They are actually stuck in, but this is coming to an end. 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords in and Tower card definitely tells me that this three party situation is coming to an end, or you are stuck in this connection which you are not happy in, and you want to, because Four of Wands also tells you that this can be a marriage situation, like one of you is married and have a family which you can't ignore right now, or you just can't get out of it right now. Okay, so that is this Seven of Wands energy, just being there and just taking care of your stuff and protecting yourself against any kind of, like, maybe they're very scared, right now to come forward. Okay, perfect timing. We are asking the spirits and guides, angels, for some guidance the second week, third week of December. We have, these are too many cards, we'll pull them back. Spirits and guides, please tell me what do my Capricorns need to know for the rest of the December. We have let go. So you need to let go till, we already have two cards here, I'm sorry. Peaceful resolution and perfect timing. So some kind of peaceful resolution will come towards for you in perfect timing. In divine timing you will get the resolution, and let go. Let go of whatever is holding you back. This is the holding up energy. 10 of Wands, 7 of Wands, and 10 of Swords is a holding up energy, but the Tower is coming, which will give you exactly what, which will tell you exactly what you have to do. So you have to wait for the perfect timing and let go of control issues maybe, and whatever is holding you back. Let's see. What are my Chakra Wisdom cards going to tell, oracles are going to tell my Capricorns? Let's see what is there and what is that they have to look forward to in December. They have to look insecurities. You are dealing with some insecurities. 7 of Wands, definitely dealing with some insecurities, keeping your heart chakra closed, and fearing. This is kind of a devil energy, fearing the what is coming up in future, fearing something that is really holding you up, and you need to get out of it. Okay, let go of the insecurities. Can you see the connection? Beautiful. Let go of the insecurities you have. Capricorn, we'll pull out one more card. Spirits and guides, please give me one more card. Dissipating. Okay, this is like, dissipating is like some kind of yes, insecurities or something which is like hidden is going to be revealed to you. Okay, so this is, she's watching the television and she is coming to know about something, like it is getting to know something, knowledge or some information. Okay, so whatever doubts and fears you have, they will be gone, and let go of your insecurities and you will get your answers. Okay, this was the reading for you, Capricorn. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, love and light. Bye bye.